Yeah.
I need one.
When Bly and I were just driving up the driveway, we were wondering to each other, where is this pond gonna go? And let me flip this around and I'll show you exactly where it's going. This is it. This is our location. This is where we're gonna be building a brand new water feature. Good morning, everybody. What's up? It is Anthony with Atlantis Water Gardens. Today we are starting a brand new project here right in Rockaway, New Jersey. Super far away, I know. Jobs like these are super convenient and awesome for us just because of how close in proximity we are to our yards, our store, and just everything else. It makes our lives super easy, so if we ever have to run out or we forgot something, super easy to go back and get it. And so one of the cool things is that this is actually built up and being held up by this nice retaining wall all the way around it that kind of wraps up and around the back. And if you see all the way over there, there was a tub pond in here. That got ripped out. This is what's left. So this big rock over here that this green box is sitting on, we're actually gonna try and use the demo saw and cut it off because that rock actually reaches into the wall, this big one here in the back of it. And we don't really wanna take that out because it's been weathered all equally and it looks pretty nice. So we're gonna do our best there to just kind of cut that up so that way we really open this area up. One more cool thing about this wall that's here is that it's got this nice, beautiful rock here that reads, "Every moment nature starts on the longest journey, and every moment she reaches her goal." How nice is that? Super cool piece that we're gonna work with. I think Kobe's ready to get up here with some plywood, start making some noise. So I'm gonna let him do just that, and I'm gonna give these guys a hand. Bly and Kobe are hooking up our skimmer and biofalls face plates. Kobe's working on the skimmer down here. So what Kobe did down here was using the tools and everything that's provided with the 400 skimmer. He marked his holes. He's punching through them all right now. He's gonna put his face plate on there. He's gonna cut the liner out of the middle there so that way the water can actually pass through into the skimmer. And then he's got his silicone here as well. He's gonna silicone seal everything together so that way there's no leaks. And then that way this thing will be 100% ready to go. And then we could start placing our rocks in front of it and really disguising where he's working. And then as for Bly, he's doing pretty much the same thing up here. Bly's getting this all hooked up, and we're also leaving a ton of slack at the bottom of each of these spots, just in case there's ever any settling or the rocks start to sag down over time. They won't just start pulling at those bolts hanging onto the faceplate there and eventually ripping it because there's slack that allows room for settling. That's why we leave so much. And then Joe's just back here just working around, placing some rocks just to really keep all the dirt that we're placing back here up off this tree so that way we don't suffocate it. He's doing a real nice job. He's very passionate about it, I'm sure. You heard from the master. But as soon as Kobe and Bly are done, we're gonna get to work hammering in a ton of rocks into this pond and really try and get this thing wrapped up before we stop for lunch, because we then have a small, like 4-foot section of stream and pooling to finish up, or to start and finish. And then we have our drop, our main drop coming out of our biofalls. So while this pond is filling, everything else around it, we're all cleaned up. Our machines are loaded. We cleaned up just about all of our garbage as well. We have 2 hoses in it. And so now we're just playing the waiting game. While we're playing the waiting game here, the customer suggested that we light off a flamethrower he has laying around. I mean, I don't know about you guys. That's not something I see every day. So I'm gonna take up that opportunity. I think Bly and then the other 3 guys are already over there. I'm excited to see this. Let's check it out.
Here's how you do it. You flip the switch on,
Okay.
right? And it gives you the 12 volts.
All right.
And you flip this off, and then you hit the button.
Gotcha.
Okay? Sweet. All right, here, give me the, you want me to videotape it?
Oh, I got it actually.
Okay, you got it?
Thank you.
You ready?
Try it, Joe.
Yeah.
I need one.
Here, come video it over here. Stay right here. The
thing's
wind's
pretty
blowing
sweet.
right here. Should be right here. It's good.
That thing looks quite intimidating.
Ready?
Nail it. God damn, that's hot.
Joe looks like he's from Aliens vs. Predators.
I want one. Instead of a race, can I get one of those?
Yeah, okay.
All right, AWG Rockstars, we're gonna change it up this week. As you can see, the team is using a flamethrower. What would you do if you had a flamethrower? Drop your ideas in the comments below.
So we are all wrapped up. The guys actually peeled out of here so that way they could get home. I stayed a little bit longer, about another half an hour, just to do some finished tidying up and then to let it completely fill, because by the time the guys were ready to leave, it wasn't 100% full. So I stayed to make sure that was 100%. Our customers have not seen it yet. I know how super excited they are to see it. So let me flip this camera around. Let's go knock on the door and show them what we created here.
Ready to see it. Wow. What do you think, girls? Is it awesome? Thumbs up. Oh, awesome. It's amazing. Oh my God. What do you think, girls? Is it awesome? Now it's clearing up. Would you see the bottom now? You can see the stone in there?
Between the 4 of us, myself, Kobe, Bly, and Joe, we are all super happy with how this one turned out. We all put in a great day's work here. We got it done within our allotted time. I gotta say though, my favorite part is probably that nice deep stream up there in the top. That pool is a little bit deeper than what we normally do, and I really like those nice deep pools because it really encourages animals and critters to go up in there and kind of either lay down on a nice hot summer day or maybe even just catch a drink. But between the plants, the mulch, everything we did here, I think it turned out amazing. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Make sure you guys go over to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all those platforms. We are on every single one of them, posting stuff for you guys on the daily, so that way you guys can kind of follow along and check out what we're doing. And if you're even looking to do something like this by yourself at your house, we have a ton of how-to explanational videos, so that way we can help you through step by step without actually being there to help you. But I'm closing out this project. We're all wrapped up. I'm about to get out of here. We'll catch you guys on the next one.